Okay guys, so what is pre-extraction? We get this question all the time, especially when it comes to building on a Remington 700. If you guys have ever lifted your bolt and had to hit the bolt handle back to break that shell loose, chances are you don't have any. And what pre-extraction is, in a nutshell, is this adjacent surface on the bolt coming in contact with this surface here. You can clearly see that this one no longer has any. Sometimes they wear out because they're soft, sometimes they didn't have any from the factory. If you guys are building on a Remington 700, you've probably heard us try to discourage it, because by the time you spend all the money to fix this stuff over here, you're dang near in the same money to buy custom action. Adjacent surface here on the impact action handle and on the action itself, you can see clearly that these two come together. And when I lift, the first 1/8 of an inch has actually mechanically came back on its own from the upstroke, not from pulling back. That is pre-extraction in a nutshell, guys.